we're talking about a cabinet secretary shall not be a member of parliament. That is very obvious. This separates them from active politics and parliamentary debates. All right. Article 77, subsection 2, under the chapter on leadership and integrity. Any appointed state officer shall not hold office in a political party. And we've had many of them, of course, having now to not hold any political party or position there. Since cabinet secretaries are appointed state officers, as per Article 260, they cannot hold office or take an active role in political party affairs. So this really flies in the face of what Bernard, you're telling us, really, right? Let's continue. Leadership and Integrity Act 2012, Section 23, Section 1 reinforces this by stating, an appointed state officer shall not, in the performance of their duties, A, act as an agent for or further the interest of a political party or candidate in an election, or manifest support for or opposition to any political party or candidate in an election. So in short, our CAs are barred from engaging in active politics if going by this, of course, positions of the Constitution that we do have as it's being espoused here.
You are all
a member of the public actually gave us 152 and just reminded us that.
Yes, 152. Yes.
Debal, when you read Article 152 clearly, that is about what the cabinet consists of, you read 153, it still continues to spout the same.
I don't know where it's a copy of my Constitution as well. The hard copy.
Yeah. I mean, and then you try to bring in the Article 77
yes.
and the other bit that you're trying to really try to push, you know, they have just said you should not belong to a political party, isn't it?
Yeah.
You should not be holding an active position in a political party.
Mm-hmm.
You should not be a member of parliament, all right? Because I think that was the reason why we had the constitution that tries to separate. But right now, even these cabinet secretaries appear before us because there was also a need that we have them come to parliament and, you know, come and answer to questions that members have gotten from, you know, when they're engaging with their
on policy issues.
Correct. Now, when it comes to the aspect that you're trying to say that advance the issue of political parties in an election, you know, the problem is you do not want to really speak it well, that we are talking about in an aspect of an election. Are we in a campaign mode right now? No, we are not. What I still want to say, even my colleague, whom I deeply respect, by the way, the chairman of health here, has just mentioned that it's all moral. You know, it was also believed that actually the reason why we did want to have an MP as well as being an MP and being a cabinet secretary was basically to try and, you know, get people focused in what they were doing. But legally, there is no law. There is no law. It is all in the imagination, and a bit earlier also, Dr. here said that we need to drop this constitution. But you see, Dr. Nyekal, it's not captured anywhere.
It is captured in.
It's not captured. You've read it.
He has just read 152.
No.
Yeah.
152. What does it say?
What does it say?
Just read 152. What does it say? There's nothing it talks about.
Yeah, it's just what you call the cabinet. The cabinet consists of the president. I think the president shall nominate and, with approval of the National Assembly, appoint the cabinet secretaries. Yeah, a cabinet shall not be a member of just what we've established before there.
Shall not be a member
of parliament. Yeah. And I know this is a key clause separating cabinet secretaries from active politics, just what we've established.
So you are trying to now build on something that is not existent. It just says they should never be members of parliament. So to build on something that is not existing.
But what were the crafters of the Constitution, you know?